So yeah, hello everyone. I'm Nishan Dave, and this is my experiment that I'm performing. And my experiment is based on port security. So what we'll do is two subparts in this experiment. First thing, we will configure this switch here, and then we will verify if the switch, the port security that we add to this switch while configuring it works or not. So as a setup here, we have this switch here, a laptop here, and PC0 and PC2. These are the two computers that are connected to this switch with the help of fast Ethernet connection. So let's start configuring. And before configuring the switch, let's just confirm that we can send a we can ping PC1 via PC0. So just for the connectivity sake, let's open the command prompt here. So yeah, this is ping. Let's ping the PC1. Let's get the IP address. IP config /all. So yeah, here we have the IP address. We are working with a local IP address for this case. Yeah, and from the PC0, let's ping this and just check it out. So yeah, as we can see, the PC0 and 1 are connected and there's no issue here. So now let's configure this switch. I'll just open the command line input. So let's begin. We'll write enable here. Yeah. So we will begin by opening the configuration conf t. The first command we write is interface range, because we're working with two devices. So we'll write an FA0/1 to 2. So this is the range, FA01 and FA02. And then we will put switch port mode access. Yeah, and then we will write switch port security. After this, we will write security port switch port security maximum 1, because we are adding one device per port. So, and after this, we'll write switch port security MAC address. So now we will add both these PCs MAC addresses. So let's open this terminal. As we can see, this is the MAC address for this PC. Let's just copy it. And yeah, I'll paste it here. So now again, this time we will add the MAC address of the second PC. So as you can see, this is the PC1 and this is the MAC address for this one. Let's just copy it. So yeah, I'm copying it here and let's just paste it here. Yeah. So after this, we'll go to the next command. This is the important command in which we write switch port security violation restrict. So yeah, and we are done with this. Let's just exit this by typing end. And in the main switch command, let's just do this show run or enable. Sorry, begin. It's begin interface. So yeah, as you can see, for the 01 and 02, we have these security configuration setup. And as you can see, these are the fast Ethernet connections. And just we'll scroll down. This is the gigabit internet. And yeah, so we are done with it. I'll just check the port security if it's enabled or not. Show port security. So yeah, as you can see here, FA01, FA02, both have been configured for a restriction action. So let's see if we can ping via laptop 0 to PC0. So now let's open laptop 0. Yeah, so before that we have to first enable this path. So how do we do that? In the switch, we will write again, we'll go into configuration, config t, and then we will write interface FA0/3, because this is the laptop is the third one. So after we are in this interface, we will write no shut down. So as you now observe here, the color will change from red to green. So yeah, so this is how we have enabled this port as well. So now we can work with this port. Let's just check it out. We will go into laptop 0's command prompt, and we will ping. We'll try to ping this PC0. So let's check the PC0. What's the PC0's IP address? Let's just copy it from here and paste it in the laptop. So it will try to ping this PC with 32 bytes of data, and as we can see, we are getting the reply. So this is proving that this switch has been connected, and we can send the data from laptop 0 to PC 0. Let's also try PC1 this time. So PC1's IP address is this one. Let's just copy it. Yeah, so I'm copying it, and I'll just paste it in laptop 0. This time let's ping PC1. So yeah, as you can see, we can even ping via this. And just to verify that it is really working, we will for now disable this this port. Let's see how we can do that. Yeah, so in this, I'll just type shutdown. So yeah, as you can see now, laptop 0 has been shut down from the switch. And now if you try to ping any of the laptops that we did before, it won't be able to. Let's say we are pinging laptop 0 from laptop 0 to PC1. Let's see. So it will try to ping, but as you can see, the data, the switch has been shut down for this laptop, and you can see the request has been timed out. So yeah, so this is how we verify that we have enabled port security on this switch, and it's successfully working.